Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronnert, and we are here to read another letter sound story. This is story number 8. Let's take a look. It is called The Fat Rat, and it's written by me, Mrs. Gronnert. I am the fat rat. I do not like the cat. Ugh. I am the cat. I like the rat. I see the fat rat. No. I see the cat. I do not like the cat. No. Do not go, fat rat. Go. Go, fat rat. No, cat. Do not eat a fat rat. Go, fat rat. Go to the cap. Go. Go, bad cat. I hope you enjoyed the story, and I hope to see you again very soon.